We're heading up to Walmart's to get the ingredients for our $5 meal. I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and I'm doing a collab today with Debbie's Kitchen, and she challenged us to do $5 dinners. And so I'm going to be using this sausage link here, this pasta marinara sauce, and noodles, and mixed vegetables, and for dessert we're even going to have apple pie. And so this meal exactly came out to $5 even including tax. Let me get started on my noodles because they take the longest. Alright, I've already got my meal started, and I put 8 ounces of pasta in my pot and bring it up to a boil. And I'm going to be cooking these noodles for about 12 minutes. And over here in my other pot, I have my vegetable melody, and I'm also going to be cooking it for about 12 minutes. Okay, my noodles and my vegetables are done, so I'm going to drain off my noodles and put them in my big skillet. Alright, I have my noodles strained now, and so I'm putting them in my skillet. And now I'm going to be putting in my pasta sauce. This pasta sauce really smells great. I'm going to stir it up a little bit. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to put in my sausage. And I'm going to heat this up for about 5 minutes, and then it'll be ready to eat. I'm going to be cooking it on about a medium heat. And I already cooked the sausage in the microwave. This basil and this sauce really smells good. Alright, my meal has been simmering for about 5 minutes, and so it's coming up to a good boil now. So I'm going to turn it off, and it really smells good. It's got basil in it and a lot of seasonings in the sauce, and so I didn't have to put any like black pepper or salt in it because of that. So I'm going to turn it off and plate us up a plate. This was a real easy, fun meal to make, and it was budget friendly also. So let me plate us up a plate. Okay. Now, if I was making this meal for me and Calvin and it wasn't supposed to be $5, I would have some cheese on here and a little bit of parsley. But anyway, I really enjoyed making this meal, and so now it's time to do the taste test. Also, I have this delicious apple pie to eat for dessert. It was only 50 cents, and the best thing about it is it doesn't have any sugar in it. So let me do the taste test now on this pasta. I'm going to get some of the sausage also. That is really delicious. That sausage just is so good in this. And it only cost $1. So let me get some of the melody. That's also delicious. And besides being delicious, it's healthy. So I can't wait to dig into this meal. I really had fun doing this collab with Debbie's Kitchen, so y'all be sure and check her out. And this $5 meal was it turned out really good, and I really enjoyed it. And so y'all be sure and to check her channel out, and we'll leave a link to her channel in our description box below. And so y'all do what you love and love what you do, and see you in the next video. Bye.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.